Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unsync your iPhone from your iPad mini 7th generation. So what you need to do is go to the settings on your iPad, then go to Apple account, so tap on your name in order to find Apple account settings, and then you want to go to iCloud. Then over here we have the option to find out what is saved to iCloud. You can tap see all in order to find the list of apps. And now you can choose what should be not synchronized between different devices. Of course, you can also use a different Apple account for that, but I assume that is not really that convenient, and it is better to simply turn off some options in the saved to iCloud setting. So for instance, if you don't want contacts to be synchronized, you can turn it off. You can also choose to keep the contacts or delete them if you want to. And you can do the same thing with everything else that is listed over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!